Welcome back to Nicholas Smith Trains. Behind me is Bachmann's Pennsylvania Railroad GG1. This one is in the Tuscan red with the 5-stripe paint scheme. Let's go ahead and check it out. So coming to the front, we have lots of details like our headlight, the little keystone stamp. You got your little number boards and markers. Your little coupler cut bar under there. Making your way to the side, you have your pantograph. You have your number 4913. Your wheels are nicely detailed. Coming down here, pinstripe follows right along. You have the ladders to get up, and then there's the little doors and the grab irons. Your little Pennsylvania Railroad logo right there, and the nice Pennsylvania that stretches across the locomotive. Get your fuel, water. The windows are nicely protected there. There's your other pantograph. Your pantographs can be opened manually, and they're nice and sprung. Okay, now we'll go through some of the locomotive sound functions. We'll start here with our horn. Now we'll go to our bell. And lastly, we have our short horn. Now we'll go ahead and run this engine.